Warga Patisi TV.
Kumisi bentaban pentelon ka Swachh Bharat Mission ya ka braya trailang bat ka Shillong Municipal Board lasdang ka Swacchata he Seva arajar alpusan nado ka khanyo tu kunai lur arajar alpusan bat la Pynkut bat mentaka sngi ka nyo tu urusau arajar alpusan State Convention Center Shillong hakani ka sngi umindi ka tran ka khya jong ka sarkar jilla ba wailat miki shilla ulalong kumukongsan harengkar ka jingadan lang Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed IAS Secretary jong ka Urban Affairs ka kong WAM Boot Shadab Kumjuru Uprafula KR Boro Director jong ka tran Urban Affairs hakani ka sngi lasam kusnamru shakitu badan benta hakaban Pynkut ya ka saudong saukun jong ka sor man pin urlong ka thong bakanong ba Shillong bat kiwi pat kisor hakajala kinlong ki bakhoit.
As you know that the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban was launched on October 2nd, 2014 with the goal of making urban India open defecation free and achieving 100% scientific management of solid waste. By 2019, India's urban areas were declared ODF, a significant achievement. The mission's second phase, that is SBM Urban 2.0, launched in October 2021, focused on garbage-free status for all cities by 2026, with enhanced management of wastewater, solid waste processing, and the institutionalization of sustainable sanitation behavior among citizens. To intensify cleaning activities in the spirit of the Swacchata pledge, the Indian government came up with the annual event which we know as Swacchata hi Seva, or cleanliness is service. This is a fortnight-long event observed every year since 2017, during which every citizen in the country is expected to dedicate their 100 hours toward maintenance of cleanliness. This year, to add flair and vibrancy to the movement, the Swacchata hi Seva fortnight is observed under the theme Swachh Mahotsav, meaning Festival of Cleanliness, thereby making cleanliness not just a duty but something to celebrate. I am sure that the town and cities of Meghalaya have also carried out their share of activities and more during this year Swachh Mahotsav. I am also sure that our workers are not doing this job only during this period but throughout the year, as it can be seen that our own town and cities are quite clean and presentable. We still have a long way to go, but I am pleased to inform everyone here that we also have a roadmap and a plan. Our state is one among the first in the country to have a solid waste management policy and strategy which was notified in 2019, and the only policy with a vision striving toward zero waste. All the town and cities of the state also have their own city solid waste action plan and city sanitation action plan, which were apprised and approved by the Swachh Bharat Mission. The plan clearly spells out the various activities to be undertaken by each town and city within the specified time schedule. As a state government, we are also deeply concerned with the overall maintenance of cleanliness and management of waste, especially with the rise in tourist footfall and the coming up of the national game in 2027. But I assure this gathering that we are not sleeping, and already a number of initiatives have already been rolled out. The Honorable Chief Minister have already launched Mission Clean Shillong 2027 on the World Environment Day 2025 with a vision for a litter-free, pristine water and pure air city by the end of 2027. But I assure this gathering that we are not sleeping, and already a number of initiatives have already been rolled out. The Honorable Chief Minister have already launched Mission Clean Shillong 2027 on the World Environment Day 2025 with a vision for a litter-free, pristine water and pure air city by the end of 2026. The mission document will be available on the public domain very soon. We have installed fences at vulnerable stretches of Umkhra and Umsherpi River and their tributaries for a length of 6.3 kilometers. We have also initiated Mission Zero Litter, a short-term intensive cleaning drive for Shillong City. Under My City campaign, we are engaging with localities and citizens of the major town and city of the state to work together toward achieving more than satisfactory level of cleanliness. As you all may be aware, we have been at the receiving end of the stick of the National Green Tribunal, that is NGT, in the recent past, where we have even been penalized with 100 crores for improper waste management. However, I am proud to inform that we have considerably improved by leap and bound within the past 5 years in spite of the hindrance caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Our waste collection efficiency has increased from less than 50% in 2019 to about 83% in 2025. Our level of segregation at source has increased from less than 30% in 2019 to 70% during the current year, and our processing capacity now stands at 68%, whereas it was less than 2% in 2019. Processing plants have been set up at all urban towns of the state with a total processing capacity of 215 tons per day. This processing plant will convert biodegradable waste into compost and sort the non-biodegradable waste into various forms of recycled material. We have also about 6.13 lakh tons of unprocessed waste lying in the dump site over a number of years. The state government has taken the initiative to dig out this legacy waste, process it, and dispose the same as per the rule. So far, 2.23 lakh tons have been processed and disposed from Martin and Tura. The biomining of legacy waste in the other town will start soon. The state is fully committed toward conserving the environment through proper and scientific management of waste in the spirit of the state policy and is on an intensive drive to identify and acquire site for setting up state-of-the-art waste management facilities, and through a comprehensive awareness and education campaign, we have been successfully to break the ice and gain public confidence toward acquisition of such sites. The state is also working towards strengthening of the ULBs to further enhance their capacity in managing the waste and that is generated on daily basis. This is done through a comprehensive training and capacity building of ULB officials and strengthening the collection, transportation and processing infrastructure in all towns. The entire state has been declared open defecation free in 2019 along with the rest of the country, and I would like to congratulate Juwai Municipal Board and Shillong Municipal Board for having attained ODF Plus status in 2004 and 2005 respectively. Further, I would like to also congratulate Shillong for coming out of the bottom list in the national-wide Swacch ranking to be a part of the 25 promising cities in the country. Today we celebrate the end of the cleaning festival by honoring our heroes, the sanitation workers who toil day in and day out with a sense of duty and commitment. Today we celebrate our collective effort to make our town and cities clean and livable, and we shall also pledge to continue our effort to further improve the overall aesthetic of our state. Today we also acknowledge the service of unknown faces who work not for glory or fame, but with a feeling of responsibility for their own surrounding. By honoring these special people, we intend to showcase example that each one of us should rise toward in the true spirit of Swacchata, his Seva.
The gift we given and the Swacchata is a symbol of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. See, he was a person who really said that clearly the society and individual has a moral responsibility to remain clean and maintain the society clean. I mean, he stood by it. In fact, to the extent of he insisted his wife to clean the toilet when he went to South Africa. I'm saying that we should not make wife to clean, we also should clean ourselves. The biggest symbol, according to him, a person is good, is that when he go to toilet, he cleans it as better than how he went in. So any society which is cultured, actually cultured in so-called, in all terms, maintain not only their house clean, they maintain the vicinity and the whole compound clean. I'm sorry to say, don't take it as an accusation. I come from a state which is the highest literacy and digitally literate Kerala. The biggest problem in Kerala is waste management, the Kudumbashri, and they're doing quite a marvelous job. Most of the people in a new rich, the term is, they suddenly become rich, and we keep our house very clean, our compound spick and span with waterfall or whatever you want. But all the waste, some people unfortunately dump into the vicinity. This is quite antisocial, and I think we should be aware of it. The cleanliness as a behavior, or behavioral science. Why in our society, the majority of society in Meghalaya maintain cleanliness as a part of the ethos? It is because of the upbringing. It's the family values. It's a society in which they interact. They inculcate that value from all around. So unless and until in the early period of childhood, we don't teach hygiene, cleanliness and the values to our children, I think it will be difficult to continue in their life. What I'm saying is this value we should actually inculcate at the childhood. And if your parents are doing it, mind your children, you should correct your parents. My children do it. I am happy that children correct us. We don't have to feel ashamed of it. Our new generation is more brighter, more wiser, and more worldly knowledgeable. Only thing is, yeah, they have too much information. Otherwise, they are definitely far more intelligent than us. Let's accept it, support them, love them, nurture them. Then only society will go forward. And never compare them with other children.
20. Northstone Town Committee. The sanitation workers. Next we have Shri Babular S. Mara from Bakmara Municipal Board. What after Tombela C.H. Mara? Next is Shri Tombela C.H. Mara, William Nagar Municipal Board. Please be ready to accept your award. These are the sanitation workers. They deserve all the applause. Shri Sentisan Sangma, Tura Municipal Board. Please be ready to accept your award. Sentisan.
Pin real squat, ya kak tiên là dòng pin đâm cam, ya ka bakan kêu kak tiên khasi, kak tiên là dòng, ai kan rồi kan pa. Balay pi ong gate, habangi don la ka jong ka kan tiên khasi, kerdok lani palor. Beli lani khang ya katuka palor ni juya ong saka weipan kakten khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiw yau up hinrangi kiw yau thep tin Todayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapati CTV. Nak bentak ke jing mentoi upat ba.